It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! And in today's video we are going to talk about a new multi-game card for the Sega Mega Drive and Genesis. This is the 138-in-1 16-bit game cartridge. It comes in a pretty nice shell. This one is let's say just the deluxe version with the two little screws that hold these two shells together. It got a really nice label. And yes, so it seems to be this one got also a very nice collection. The question is it better than a 112 one and a 126 one? More games, but are they better? Let's find out. Welcome, people. Welcome back. So, the first thing that I'm noticing with the 138-in-1, I really love the main menu. It's really nice. And what I also really love is that it's got these little pictures at the bottom. So, that is really cool. So, let's say it's a little bit of a thumbnail for every game you're choosing. This is something totally different. In the past we also have these little basic main menus, but I really love what they've done with this one. Alright, this is really weird. We got the goal as 1 and 3. Well, where's number 2? We got the Street of Rage games. Alright. Turtle Tournament, Turtle 3. Oh man, I really love it. They put the Turtle Tournament game on it. But that's a personal favorite of me. Shinobi 2 and 3. Oh, and this is, alright, so Revenge of Shinobi. All the Double Dragon games, Battletoads. Arrow. Super Mario 2. That's a bootleg game. Personally, I'm not waiting for bootleg games. I just want to have great games. I really don't know why they always put a bootleg game on it. Batman's really nice one. DJ Boy is really cool. Alright, what do we have more here? Alright, Road Avengers, Wonder Boy, Jurassic Park. Ooh, Alternate Beast, nice. Oh, we got Sunset Riders here. That is really nice. Alright, that concludes the full list. Let's do some gameplay, people. Of course we need to test out Street of Rage. Classic game. Alright. Of course, always choosing Axel, my favorite character. Alright, so let's try out Street of Rage number 2. They put on the, I think it's the NTSC file from Street of Rage 2, so on my PAL system the music goes apeshit for turbo mode. And as you can see, the frame rate itself is just great, but the music is horrible. And a lot of these multi-game cards have this problem. There's only one 112-in-1 that doesn't have this problem. That's the one with the Sonic at the front. I think they called it the 21st anniversary edition or something like that. Alright. Play a little bit of Fatal Fury number 2.
Round 1, fight!
Can I do a move in this game? So what is a really neat feature about this multi-card, if you reset the console, it goes with a fade-in function to the main menu. It's really nice. Alright, let's test another one. And of course in fade out if you go to the game. That's something I really love. Yep. Let's choose the spaceship. Really love the soundtrack. Let's fight the cheap ass computer. Wow, wow. Come on. Ow, ow, ow. I'm getting my ass whooped in practice mode. Come on. That at least make it not a perfect. Oh yeah. Come on. For the final conclusion about the 138 in 1. It's a really nice collection. It's a really nice multi-game card. I really love what they did with the main menu. They did improve it because the old one was a little bit basic with a very horrible green lookish background and just some text on the main menu. Nothing special. So that's a big improvement. The games itself, we got more games now. Yeah, better games. They're still missing out some great games, of course. I think we need to wait a very long time for the perfect and ultimate multi-game card that concludes only the best games. But yeah, and overall, it's a really nice collection of games, and most of the parts of the game work just fine. Street of Rage 2 still got a little issue, and that is because I'm running it on a PAL system. On NTSS system, it doesn't have that problem. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.